How to fix Adventure Escape Mysteries download or update issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're having trouble downloading or updating Adventure Escape Mysteries, then this is a common issue and it can usually be fixed in a few minutes. First of all, launch open your Adventure Escape Mysteries game on your device and make sure that the device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening up any other website or any other app to confirm that your internet is working. Now, once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Quickly restart your device that you're using currently, and after you've restarted, launch open the game once again and see if that fixes the issue. Adventure Escape Mysteries may not download or update if your device is low on storage, so make sure that you go to your device's setting and make sure you have enough storage space. Another thing you want to do is to go ahead and check if your device is updated to the latest version. Launch open the Settings app from your home screen, and inside Settings, go ahead and tap on About Device or About Tablet and look if your device is updated to the latest version. If not, go ahead and download the latest version for your operating system. And once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to launch open your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Adventure Escape Mystery. Once you find this application, go ahead and look if there is an update button available. If not, then it means you already are running the latest version. But if you see an update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest Adventure Escape Mysteries app on your device. Once you update your application, most of the problems out there will be solved, since update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement every time. So those were some of the fixes or steps you can follow or take into consideration if your Adventure Escape Mystery game is not being downloaded or updating. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.